The Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus 5G emerges as one of the most compelling phones of its class, blending flagship-level ambitions with mainstream appeal thanks to a suite of cutting-edge specs that punch well above its price point. It sports a vibrant 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals that elevate everyday tasks, gaming, and media consumption alike. Under the hood, a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 or similar high-end 5G chipset, and up to 32 GB of RAM with 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage ensure blistering performance for multitasking, heavy apps, and advanced AI features, while generous storage lets you keep all your content on hand without worry. Photography is a highlight too, with a massive 300MP primary camera supported by versatile secondary lenses, capturing detailed shots in varied conditions and offering 8K video recording for creative users. Powering all this is a huge 8,500 mAh battery with 150W fast charging, capable of lasting well over a day of intensive use and topping up in minutes. Rounding out the experience are modern essentials like comprehensive 5G connectivity, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 6E, NFC, and a refined XOS interface based on Android 15, making the Note 60 Pro Plus 5G a standout choice for anyone seeking flagship performance and features without flagship pricing.